All right, welcome to this current conditions update. It's around 4 p.m. on July the 7th, 2021, and it's another brutal one out there, man. Another brutal one out there. We are under a severe thunderstorm watch. We have temperatures in the low 90s across the middle of the island. These dew points are absolutely unbelievably humid. Farmingdale's reporting 88 with a dew point of 73. Now if you're on the South Shore, it's a little better, but you really got to be right on the water to get any kind of relief. 78 at West Gilgo, but even if you're here's Wantagh, it's 86 with a dew point of 78, so not really great anywhere you go. It's really just oppressively humid out there. Even Islip, 88 with a dew point of 72 right now, so just very hot and humid conditions today. Very uncomfortable conditions. You have to go further out east to really get any kind of relief. Maybe at Kabreski Airport, 82 with a dew point of 71. But other than that, it is just unbelievably just horrible. And of course, here in Mineola, place 92 with a dew point of 76. And we go to LaGuardia, 95. Dew point's a little lower, though, 63. 86, the dew point of 74 at JFK Airport. Central Park's got 90 degrees with a dew point of 67. And then, of course, if we go into Jersey, it's probably hotter there. Let's see. Oh, yeah. There's 97 being reported at Coyle Field. Dew point of 73. 93. Well, it's about the same as the middle of the island, really. That's because we got that killer westerly flow that is kind of in place here. Killer west-southwest flow. It's really not bringing us much relief. And yeah, even though the wind speeds, we're getting some wind gusts, it's a hot, sticky breeze out there, no matter where you are. Looking at the Wonder Map, you see similar types of conditions here with the 90s, and only really relief right at the beach. And just brutal day across the area. And we can look at North Patchogue. Probably not getting much relief there either. Yep, close to 90. Probably hitting 90. So there you go, 89. So just a brutal day, worse than yesterday actually. It's just because of that wind direction, you know. It's coming in more from New Jersey, so that's why we're dealing with this heat. And on top of that, we have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect as well. And let's see, here's the one for us, and this is in effect until 11 p.m. tonight. So, yeah, the threat for severe weather, once again, in this kind of air mass. It's very hot, very humid, very unstable kind of air mass that we're dealing with. And we also have the heat advisory in effect until 8 p.m. And if we look at the radar, you'll see that there are some thunderstorms well to the north that are, let's go ahead and look at the radar here. It's just a day to hibernate in air conditioning as much as you can, because tropical storm force out saying, oh, okay, well, Elsa, I'll talk about that later tonight. I'm just talking about the current conditions right now. So here are some thunderstorms that are over Massachusetts that are moving, that will, this whole area will eventually sink toward our area later on. And I will look at the models just to see what they are saying as far as thunderstorms go. Let's go to the HRRR and go to the 18Z run and see when it does develop this stuff. So you can see a few pop-ups. Now, it's interesting. It really doesn't bring anything toward us. So even though we're under a severe thunderstorm watch, it seems like it has just very scattered activity. But I guess they don't want to take any chances. Let's look at the NAM. NAM's a little more impressive, and it just brings something through around a little after 9 o'clock, perhaps. So, yep, we're going to have to watch out for these storms today, once again. So, that's going to be it for this update. We'll have more later. Stay cool.